Ashington the fourth. So let's check out how the table is set after another day of league action. In first, it's LMQ. Yeah, just LMQ.
Then CLG drops into second, and in third it is Cloud9 and TSM, and Dignitas holds fifth place.
And in the bottom half, we've got Curse in sixth, followed by Complexity and Evil Geniuses. And we will be back tomorrow with 4 more games, starting with Evil Geniuses taking on Dignitas.
Followed by Complexity versus TSM. After that, LMQ will face off against CLG. Then we'll conclude our LCS coverage with Team Curse versus Cloud9.
But keep it tuned right here for a best-of-3 semifinal between LoLPro and Cognitive Gaming in the North American Challenger Series. And we've got Freak and Zyrene waiting in the wings for tonight's North American Challenger Series quarterfinals. But first, let's take a quick look at a few of today's LCS highlights.
I mean, I'm ready for it. I don't think the people are ready for it. Dips.
Special's now caught up in the Soul Shackle. Boy is able to take down Kiwi Kid, but the AD and the AP are still on the move. Cutie Pie tries to fire back. Kathy in surprise comes up.
Happy birthday, dear Peter.
CLG now sets up the lines. Both teams staring in each other's eyes. Aframu goes down. No way. EG dances it out.
I got so much life flying through my face.
Nicely done by No Name to steal it back. Wait, the rest of LMQ is kind of filtered in on the backside, and they didn't realize TSM was ready for a fight.
What time is it? It's League of Legends time.
I could be going down here. Very tricky trade. He still lives it out somehow. What a play coming in from Lemon Nation's security shield there.
Hey, what does the Kool-Aid Man say when he busts through a door?
Oh, yeah.